hazard, tornado. Source, radar-indicated rotation. There have been numerous previous reports of tornadoes with this cell, but not since 9:35 p.m. impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Gary, Faith, Walk-On, Flaming, and Renham. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Come close to
Life.
Taken Prevagen, noticed